In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Slack. If you've ever faced the hassle of juggling your calendar events and Slack notifications separately, you're in for a treat. This integration will ensure that every new event from your Google Calendar is seamlessly communicated to your designated Slack channel or direct message. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's get started by heading over to Zapier. If this is your first time using Zapier, it's a versatile automation tool that connects your apps to automate workflows. You'll need to log into your account, or if you don't have one yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free to start. Once logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is click on Create Zap. A Zap is essentially the workflow you will create to complete this integration. For our trigger app, you'll need to choose Google Calendar. You'll be presented with options, and we're going to select New Event or Event Start, depending on when you want your notifications to be sent. This choice will determine the exact timing of when your Slack channel or direct message gets that calendar update. Next, you'll need to connect your Google Calendar account to Zapier. This step ensures that Zapier has access to your calendar events so they can be forwarded to Slack. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, making sure that you select the correct calendar if you manage more than one. Now that your trigger is set up, it's time to move on to the action app, which will be Slack. In this part of the setup, select Send Channel Message if you want the notifications to go to a group channel, or DM for direct messages if you want the notifications to be more private. With Slack selected, it's time to connect your Slack account. Authorize the access, just like you did with Google Calendar, ensuring that Zapier can interact with the Slack channels or direct messages you've specified. Once connected, it's time to customize your notification message. You can tailor this by including vital information such as the event name, its time, and even a link directly to the event. This way, you and your team won't miss a beat when it comes to upcoming events. Finally, to make sure everything is working smoothly before you finalize the setup, click Test and Publish. This will activate your Zap and test this new workflow. If the test runs without a hitch, your Zap is live. Your Slack will now automatically receive updates from your Google Calendar, saving you time and keeping your team well informed without extra manual effort. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a seamless connection between your Google Calendar and Slack, making sure you're always in tune with your schedule and never missing an alert. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.